Hey there, quick review and unboxing on this Gskyer telescope. Gonna see what it looks like here. Pop open the box. Everything comes in a case. This is gonna be especially designed even for a kid to use. As you can see here, it's got very clear instructions on how to put everything together and assemble it. I'm gonna pop open this case here. See, all of the parts are packaged together really nicely. You've got tripod, the telescope right here. Overall, everything looks really nice. This is about what I would expect for a kid's gift. This isn't like a professional quality tool. It's really a nice, just a nice combo kit here to get a kid started and interested with a telescope. It's got a nice amount of different accessories to install and lenses that you can swap out to keep things interesting, but yet it's not too complicated to where a kid's not going to be able to figure it out and use it. So overall, it's a nice kit, great gift idea for a kid. That's why I bought it. So I'd recommend it if you're looking for something interesting to gift to somebody young. And again, one of the pros to this kit would be is that everything can be broken down and put into this nice carrying case for storage. That way it doesn't have to be out all the time.